Quality assurance, much more than a regulatory requirement. It provides a framework that ensures medicines are consistently manufactured to the highest standards and remain safe and effective. Objective is for participants to leave the course with practical knowledge and tools they can immediately apply with their own organizations.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Master Series podcast presented by GLC Europe. I'm your host Pansalu, and today we will be discussing pharmaceutical quality assurance. Quality assurance plays a vital role in ensuring medicines are consistently produced at the highest standard for quality, effectiveness and safety. To help us explore this important topic further, we are delighted to be joined by Felix Kern, who will also be leading our upcoming masterclass in pharmaceutical quality assurance. Hi Felix, how are you doing today? Thank you so much for joining.
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you. All right, so before we dive into the topic itself, could you tell our listeners a little about yourself, about your professional background and your experience within pharmaceutical quality assurance?
Yes, for sure. Hello, dear listeners, also from my side. So my name is Dr. Felix Kern. I'm a PhD pharmacist by background, having earned my doctoral degree in pharmaceutical analytics and in pharmaceutical chemistry in Munich. And I've been working in the pharmaceutical industry for over 12 years now. And in terms of my scope of work, I'm very well positioned primarily in quality and production, but also in analytics and regulatory affairs.
Thank you so much. It's really great to have you with us today. We've received a bunch of questions from our clients, and you've already touched on some important aspects on the industry. To set the stage for our listeners, let's start with a broad question. Why is quality assurance so important in the pharmaceutical industry?
Yeah, quality assurance, much more than a regulatory requirement. It provides a framework that ensures medicines are consistently manufactured to the highest standards and remain safe and effective for patients. So quality assurance supports every stage of pharmaceutical manufacturing by establishing robust systems, procedures, and also controls. Ultimately, it helps protect patient safety while also contributing to operational excellence and also to business success on the other side.
Thank you. That's a great foundation. For professionals considering this masterclass, what can participants expect to gain from the course?
Yeah, participants will gain a practical understanding of the most important quality assurance concepts and also of regulatory expectations within the pharmaceutical industry. So we combine theoretical knowledge with real-life examples and case studies, so making the content directly applicable to daily work environments. So our objective is for participants to leave the course with practical knowledge and tools they can immediately apply with their own organizations.
One area that has become increasingly important across the pharmaceutical sector is risk management. Why is it such a key focus within quality assurance today, in your opinion?
Yeah, from my focus, risk management is the basis for nearly everything. So risk management is one of the cornerstones of modern pharmaceutical quality systems. Organizations are expected to proactively identify potential risks, evaluate their impact, and implement appropriate mitigation strategies before issues arise, so before the risk really occurs. So throughout the course, we explore practical examples that demonstrate how a risk-based approach can strengthen compliance and also improve quality performance and support better decision-making.
Got it. Quality assurance and quality control are often mentioned together. How would you describe the role of quality control within pharmaceutical manufacturing?
Yes, certainly. So quality control is responsible for verifying that products meet predefined specifications before they are released to the market. So it realizes on validated analytical methods and testing procedures to generate accurate and, what's very important, reliable results. So during the course, we discuss the relationship between quality control and quality assurance, and also explain how these functions complement one another, so to ensure product quality and regulatory compliance.
All right. Audits and inspections can sometimes feel challenging for pharmaceutical professionals. How does this course help participants prepare for that?
Yeah, audits and inspections are a routine part of pharmaceutical operations, but also they can still create uncertainty. So this course here helps participants understand what auditors and inspectors typically focus on and how to prepare effectively. And we also touch some hot topics. So we also discuss common inspection findings, best practices for responding to observations, and practical approaches to implementing corrective and preventive actions in a correct way.
Another topic that often generates a lot of discussion is process validation. Why is it considered such a critical element within pharmaceutical manufacturing?
Yeah, I'm doing and carrying out process validations for over 12 years now. So process validation provides documented evidence that a manufacturing process can consistently produce products meeting predefined quality requirements. So it's a key regulatory expectation and plays an essential role in ensuring product quality and also consistency and patient safety. So during this course here, we break down the principles of process validation into practical concepts, helping participants understand both the regulatory requirements on the one hand and real-world implementation strategies on the other hand.
All right. Before we wrap it up, who, according to you, would benefit most from attending this masterclass?
Yeah, this masterclass is available for professionals working in quality assurance, quality control, manufacturing, compliance, validation specialists, regulatory affairs, and all related pharmaceutical functions. So whether participants are new to the field or experienced professionals looking to strengthen their knowledge, the course provides practical insights. That's important for me. Practical insights that can support both your personal development and the organizational excellence.
And before we conclude today's session, is there one key message you'd like for our listeners to take away regarding pharmaceutical quality assurance?
Yeah, doing quality assurance for over 12 years now. So quality assurance is our promise to patients. I'm also a pharmacist, our promise to patients. So every batch must be safe, effective, and traceable from development to delivery. So it's not a hurdle, it's a standard we live by, demanding vigilance, consistency, and also continuous improvements and improvement at every step.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much, Felix, for joining us today and for sharing these valuable insights into pharmaceutical quality assurance. This was a great session. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you everyone for listening to us this episode of the Master Series podcast by GLC Europe. We hope today's conversation has given you a better understanding of the importance of quality assurance and the value it brings to pharmaceutical organizations and patient safety. Until next time, I'm Pansula Jayasinghe, and this has been the Master Series podcast. Thank you.